The set of stocks which are in focus also are telecom, because they are in Supreme Court has given judgment. The AGR judgment which was made public, the order offers limited relief, and it's mostly for Vodafone Idea, not the others. Somit joins in to help us understand what it means for Airtel, Vodafone Idea and Indus Towers. Somit.
So the ruling had come in a few days back, but the judgment order copy was uploaded on the Supreme Court website yesterday post-market. And what we are understanding from the judgment order is that this benefit that everyone was talking about is quite limited. In fact, the amount it would be limited to is close to around 9,500 crore only. So a couple of points that we have noted from the judgment order that was uploaded. Point number 7. Now it clearly says that any relief package can only be provided to Vodafone Idea, given the fact that Government of India owns close to 49% stake and 20 crore users are on Vodafone Idea's network, and it will not be provided to any other player. Now this is against market expectation, which was factoring in that there could be some benefit coming in for Bharti Airtel also, given the fact that they have close to 40 to 50,000 crore of the AGR dues on their balance sheet, and this amount of 40 to 50,000 crore is close to 4% of Bharti Airtel's market capitalization. So that is negative coming in for Bharti Airtel, given the fact that they won't receive this relief, if at all there is any relief that comes in for Vodafone Idea. The point number 6, or the second point that we have witnessed here or seen here, is that it clearly says that the claim will be restricted only to the additional AGR demand raised for FY17. Now this amount, as per analyst, is just 9,450 crore rupees. This is literally 12% of the total AGR dues and just 4.9% of the overall debt of Vodafone Idea. So this clearly shows that even if this amount is waived off for Vodafone Idea, it's not going to make much of a difference for Vodafone Idea going forward, because their annual payout due is more than 16,000 crore rupees. The company has been reporting negative cash flow, and even if this amount of 9,450 goes out of the balance sheet, then the overall repayment or the annual payment would come down by just 400 odd crore rupees. So it won't make a much difference for a Vodafone Idea. And given the fact that it's negative for Vodafone Idea, the indirect impact comes on Indus Towers, and that's the reason why we are seeing such kind of a downtick even in the share prices of Indus Towers, because Vodafone Idea is a large customer for Indus Tower, and if Vodafone Idea continues to remain under pressure, Indus Towers' performance or financial performance could also be under pressure. Indus Tower is down 2%, Bharti Airtel 1% down, and Vodafone Idea 5.5% down.